Hey, this is Toni J, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the entire Printful website just to show you what's on the website and how you can get started selling your art on Printful. So here is the home page, and you'll see create and sell custom products online, and this has a direct link for you to sign up and start, or for you to order for yourself if you don't want to set up a store. So if you're an artist, you can choose to put your designs on any of these different products that Printful offers, and they show you the starting prices. They have a catalog right here that you can click. They show you a video of how it works. Here's the steps of how it works. They talk about their warehousing and fulfillment. So say if you use one of their products to put your art on and you wanted to add different things like your business card or any extra materials with it, they will hold it for you and ship it with your products. They have these platforms that you can connect your store to, so you don't have to go through the hassle of ordering it and bringing it to your house and then having to ship it out. They do everything for you. So this is if you have your own website and how you can connect it to there. Then down here, it shows you all their locations of where their different warehouses are. Shows you the app, and if you want to make large volume orders. So let's go back to the top. Over here under the products tab, you have everything that they offer between clothing, hats, accessory, home living, and the different collections of all of these things put together. And then when you go to clothing, it shows you all what they have, and over here is a nice breakdown of exactly what type of apparel that you want. So you have shirts and jackets, embroidered shirts, pants, the underwear now, shorts, more and more shorts. So these are all the bottoms and all the tops are up here. So they have it for men, women, young children, youth, these different types of things. And then let's go to accessories. So bracelets, flip-flops, laptop cases, phone cases, and different things like that. So you can go under here. There's a link in the description if you want to click it and follow along. So here are the different services that they have. You can either click on this title or use the drop down menu, but when I clicked on this title, this page came up and it shows you like their order fulfillment. So they're a print on demand company, they drop ship, and they have warehousing and fulfillment things, and pretty much all their information right here. And then we go into the drop down menu, it has the same thing. So print on demand for online stores, for high volume, merchandise, promotional, and white labeling. And then they have the warehouse fulfillment. You can click that. Creative services. So they have design services if you need for them to design something for you. Photography services. So if you take your art, put it on a product, and if you don't want to go through the trouble of taking pictures, or if you want it a certain way, they can take the pictures for you. Video services. They can do video marketing for you to put on your shop. Store setup services, they can help you set up your store, and then down here it has all the services, and it just takes you back to where we were before. So here they have the integrations. It shows you all of the e-commerce platforms that they integrate with. So if you have a Shopify store, it has an app on there where if you put your products on Shopify, your customer will click on the product and order it, and then it'll go straight to Printful so they can start printing the things for you, and it'll go directly to your customer. So these are just the different websites where you can have that option So here's online marketplaces, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Store Envy, Wish, and Bonanza. And then you have the comparisons. So if you're not sure where to start your shop at, you can go here and say if you're interested in Etsy. You can go in here and it'll be all about Etsy. So you can go here and connect it to your Etsy store if you know for sure you want to do Etsy. And then it tells you about Etsy and the setup time, whether it's hard or easy. And then they have a video explaining exactly what to do to sell your products on Etsy. And here's another step breakdown. And here's the why. So it gives you an in-depth look on each marketplace or each e-commerce option. So I'll show you another one. So let's do Shopify. So again, it shows you exactly, it's so easy. It just shows you right there rather than going on Shopify and having to search their app store. And so here it shows you the setup is really fast and all of the information about it. They have a video on how to do it and then another step breakdown, just like the one with Etsy. So here, platform comparison. They have a video on all the platform comparisons, and then they even have a breakdown right here where you can see them side by side. So here you see Shopify and Etsy have a very fast setup time, and then it shows you the price right here. Are the products pushed to store? Yes, yes, yes. And if they have a display out of stock option, and if they have a personalization tool. And so you see these are moderate right here. These are fast. Amazon Marketplace is slow. eBay is a slow setup. So this really helps you figure out where you want to set up your shop so you can start selling your artwork. And then right here is the Printful API. So if you need that information, you have that there. So how it works, everything you need to know about how Printful works, you just click this tab and it shows you exactly what to do. How Printful works, how print on demand drop shipping works, the warehousing and fulfillment, the shipping, bulk order, sustainability and responsibility, and policies. Here's the mockup generator. And this is where you go if you have a painting or a drawing that you want to put on a poster or on apparel or any of the other products that they have. You can upload it and see what it would look like on the actual product. So say if you wanted a canvas print, you go to Home Living and you will go to Wall Art. Here's the different types of papers and posters and things like that. Here's a canvas right here. If you wanted a picture in a canvas rather than flat, it shows it to you right here, and you can look at the size, and you will be able to upload your art. You can make it vertical or horizontal. Choose the size. Upload your print. So for now, I'm just going to show you one of their clip art examples. So I put it right here, and then you just size it down or however you like. So say if I wanted this to be my my print, I would make it into a pattern or do whatever with this. And then down here it shows you how it will look on the different sizes. Okay, so like that. So up here you will see the file view. They have a 3D view, which shows you around So you'll be able to see exactly where it'll stretch over the canvas, and if you want it actually on this canvas or in a different print. And then it has a mock-up view. And with this, it shows you different comparisons to a person, the different sizes, and things like that. So that's what a mock-up view is, and you can take that same picture and put it on different things. So if you want to put it on a poster, of course it'll be different because it's flat. You won't have to deal with the bleeding lines or the stretching. So that's the mockup generator. For resources, this is everything that you need to know about Printful and how things work. They have free webinars you can watch, the news of what's going on in Printful, marketing tools, so they help you market your artwork. They show you the production, so you'll see exactly how your art is being made on these products. They have different guides over here. So they have a storage setup checklist. So when you start up your store to sell your art, you'll be able to just go down this list and you won't miss anything. Information about different products like the fabric on the t-shirts or the dresses or the shorts or the pants or anything like that, and all of your guides that you need. You have your frequently asked questions, anything that is beyond of what's already on the site, and they just go in more detail. You have the apps. You can download Printful on your phone and monitor your sales from there. So here they just have more information on what you want to do with your artwork. And then they have more information on customizing your products. And then over here is the blog. The blog has a lot of information on it, and it has a lot of resources in there too. So down here, they have marketing tips, success stories from customers, your e-commerce platform guides, a beginner's handbook, and different styles and trends. So it's very organized, and it has a lot of useful information on their blog. So here, here's an article that says 7 best free Adobe Photoshop alternatives. So if you don't have Photoshop, you can use whatever they give you here to make your designs to upload to the mockup generator and use that to sell your art on. So at the top of the Printful website, they usually have little announcements to give you information up there. When you sign in, you'll be able to see the different things you buy, like using your cart, or you will go under the dashboard where you will see your customers and what they buy. You can change your currency up here. And that's pretty much it. This is the Printful website. This is a great website to use if you want to sell your artwork. You can either sell it in print form or sell it on products, whichever fun way works for you. Down here, all the way at the footer, it has the same information at the top, just all these different categories: products, services, resources, features, and then here's the information about Printful, and then different tabs, like the newer tabs that are from the blog. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to sign up for Printful, there's a link in the description below. It's totally free to sign up and super fast and easy. That's where you set up your store and you can get started as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.